Hello everybody, this is Celesta Matthews and today we are going to see a topology wherein we'll configure the VLAN. Now in VLAN you have two types of connections. One is the intra connection and the other is the interconnection. Now in intra, suppose you have this topology. These two PCs belong to VLAN 10, these two to VLAN 20 and these two to VLAN 30. So in intra-connection, you will be able to ping only within the same VLAN. That means I can ping from this PC to this PC. I can ping from this PC to this PC, but I cannot ping between two different VLANs. Whereas in interconnection, you can do that. So we'll see the commands that we have used over here. So the first one over here, what we do is you go to select a PC, go to desktop, IP configurations, and you assign the IP address. So I have given 10.1 and you provide the subnet mask. So for the first one, it's 10.1, second one 10.2, third one 20.1, fourth one 20.2, 30.1 and 30.2. So it goes on like that. Now in this, we do not configure the router at all. We only configure the switch over here. So let's see the commands. The first thing is I have written VLAN 10. So earlier you just have to put in enable and then config t. Then you say VLAN 10, that is the first VLAN name, and then CSE. CSE is instead of CSE you can take any name whatever you would like to use. Similarly, all the three VLANs are used and the VLAN names are assigned. Now you take the interface, that is interface 1/1, that is this interface, the first one. So you say switch port mode access, then switch port access VLAN 10. This means that this particular PC belongs to VLAN 10. Similarly, all the others are done. Like for the second one, I have taken FA2/1 and switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 10. And for the third one, I have said VLAN 20 and so on. You do it like that, just press end and then you close it. Now we will try to ping it from this PC to this PC in the same network. So let's go to capture and forward. Here it goes. Okay, so this means that it is successful. Now we can even try for something else as well. I just try to ping within the first PC and the second PC. So capture and forward. Okay, so it is successful. This is how the interconnection works. Now we'll go on to the intra connection. We'll go on to the interconnection. So the topology looks somewhat the same, but the difference over here is that we will assign the the default gateway as well over here. So there's the same IP address, the same subnet mask, but here we provide the IP address. Whereas in intra-connection, we do not provide the default gateway. So here you can say 192.168.10.254. Okay, the same thing is done for all the PCs. Now we'll configure the switch. We'll see the commands for that. Okay, here. The same thing is done, VLAN 10, and you assign the name similarly for 20 and 30. Now you take the first interface FA1/1, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10. Now you say int FA2/1. Okay, just a minute. Fine. So everything is similar to as we did in the intra connection. The only difference over here is that we need to give the connection for the router as well over here. So the router connection is FA0/1. So you write int FA0/1 switch port mode trunk, and then you say switch port trunk allowed VLAN 10, 20 and 30. So you can just end it. Now we'll configure the router. For the router, okay, here you have to say FA0/0.10. That means it is the VLAN number 10. Encapsulation dot 1Q and 10. You provide the IP address, you provide the subnet mask. The same thing is done for VLAN 20, so you can say int FA0/0.20, encapsulation dot 1Q and 20, and here you say 20.254. Everything is the same and you do the same for all the three VLANs. Now you can try to ping it. I ping from VLAN to MEC VLAN. So capture and forward, it goes to the switch, then to the router, back to the switch. Okay, so we'll ping it once again from here to here. Okay, so now you can see that it's successful. You can try out the same thing for any PC in this particular network. Hope you understood it. Thank you.